Hello and welcome everyone. Today I'll do some question from unitary method of class 6. Okay, so we'll start with the first question. The first question is given 14 watch cost 28,000. What is the cost of 20 such watch? So question number 1, this is given cost of 14 watch is equals to rupees 28,000. So here it is given cost of 14 watch is given 28,000. So you have to find the cost of 20 watches. Okay, so to find the cost of 20 watch, first we have to know the cost of one watch. So what we'll do, we'll write cost of one watch equals to rupees 28,000 divided by 14. Okay, so 14 twos are 28. So how many 2s? So answer is 2000. So cost of one watch is 2000. Now we have to find the cost of 20 watch, right? So we'll write cost of 20 watches is equals to rupees 20,000 into, if one watch cost 2000, 20 watch will be, you just multiply by 20. 2 2s are 4, write down. How many 0? 1 2 3 4, 4 0. So write down the 4 0. So total cost of 20 such watch will be 40,000. Okay, we'll see the next question. Next question is given, if the cost of 35 meter of cloth is 701.05, cost of 35 meter is equals to rupees 701.05. So the cost of 35 meter is rupees 701.05. Okay, so we have to find the cost of 1 meter first. So cost of 1 meter is equals to rupees 701. See, we can convert, this one is in decimal, so we'll convert into fraction. So this will become divided by 100. Now the cost of 1 meter is, you have to divide this one by 35. So what we'll do, we'll divide by 35. So can you cancel? We can cancel it. So let's see, 5 7s are 5, 1s are 5, this will be 20, 5 4s are 20, it will not be divisible, 0 5, 2s are 5, 1s are. Okay, so we are getting 14021 divided by 100 into 7. Again you can cancel it, is it? 7 2s are 14, 0 is here, 7 0 3. So we'll get 2003 by 100. So we're getting, so it will be 2003 divided by 100. So now we have to find the cost of how many? 18 meter. Cost of 18 meter equals to rupees 2003 by 100 into 18. So if you multiply this one, how much we'll get? So we are getting 36054. If you divide by 100, it will be 360.50. It will be the total cost will become 360.54. Our next question is given, 3 dozen egg are bought for 63 rupees. Find the cost of 132 egg. So here it is given cost of 3 dozen. 3 dozen mean how many? 3 into 12, isn't it? Is given rupees 63. So again we will write this one, cost of, if you multiply this will be 36. 36 eggs equals to rupees 63. So you have to find the cost of one egg. Rupees 63 by 36. You can keep as it is. Okay. Now you have to find cost of 132 eggs. So what we'll do, 63 by 36 into 132. Now we can cancel. Now we'll try to cancel this one. So if you divide by 6, 6 are 6 2s are 12, one remainder 6 2s are 12. Okay, again 3 by 3, if you cancel 3 2s are 3 2s are 6, 3 1s are again 2 cancel 11. So it is 21 into 11. So if you multiply this one, you will get 231. So the cost of 132 egg will be 231 rupees. Okay. Next question is given. 10 men can plug a field in 9 hours. In how many hours will 15 men plug it? This is a little bit different kind of question. It is saying 10 men plug the field in 9 days. Okay, so one man can plug the field in how many days? One man can plug the field in how many days? Earlier what we used to do, we used to divide, right? But here it is, in case of work related question, we'll always multiply. So 9 into 10, so this will become 90 days. Okay, so 10 men can do the work in 9 days, one man will do it in 90 days. So next you have to find, if there are 15 men, how many days it will take. So 15 men can plug the field in, what we will do here, we will divide. We'll divide by 15. So if you divide, it will be 6. 15 6 are 90. So it will take 6 days. Work related question you have to do in this way. So our next question is given. In a camp there is provision for 500 cadet for 18 days. If instead of 500 there are 100 more cadet, for how many days the provision will last? Okay, so suppose there are some food is there, and that is provision for only 18 days for 500 cadet. Okay, if there are 100 more cadet join that, then will that food last for 18 days? No, it will not. It will be less, right? So what we will do, so it will be like this. For 500 cadet, provision last equals to 18 days. Provision last for 18 days. For one cadet, provision last equals to here 18 into 500. See, 500, suppose there is some amount of food, that amount can be finished by 500 people in 18 days. If there is only one cadet, then it will be multiply, right? Isn't it? This much days. So for 600 cadet, provision last equals to 18 into 500 divided by 600. Why 600? Because initially there was 500 cadet, 100 new cadet join, so it will total, it will become 600. So 0 0 cancel. If you cancel it, it will be 3 3 5s are 15 days. So it will last for 15 days instead of 18 days. So our next question is given. If 15 liter of petrol is consumed by a car in covering a distance of 250 km, how many kilometer it will cover? It will go with 35 liter of petrol. Definitely it will go more, right? So we'll see what we'll do. In 15 liters of petrol, car travel equals to 250 kilometer. So in 1 liter we have to find, in 1 liter of petrol car travel equals to 250. Here you have to divide 250 divided by 15. You keep as it is. Next you have to find in how many, 35 liter of petrol car travel equals to 250 divided by 15 into 35. Okay, so if you cancel 5 3s are 5 7s are, so you cannot cancel anymore. So if you multiply this one, it will be 35 3 14 15 17 by 3. So if you divide this one, how much will, so 583.3 kilometer. It will travel 583.3 kilometer. We'll see the last question. The last question is given, 40 men can finish a piece of work in 26 days. How many men will be needed to finish it in 12 days? So what do you have to find? You have to find number of men. So whatever we have to find, we have to keep it always in the right hand side. So we'll write this one, in 26 days, in 26 days piece of work finished equals to how many days, how many men, 40 men. In 26 days a piece of work finished by how many, 40 men. So we have to find in 1 day piece of work finished is equals by how many people, 40 into 26. You have to multiply. If it is supposed to be finished in 1 day, then number of people will be needed, that is 40 into 26 men. So in 12 days piece of work can be finished equals to 40 into 26 by 12. Okay, so if you cancel by 2, it will become 6, this will become 13. Again, if you cancel by 2, it will become 3, this will become 20. So here 20 into 13 divided by 3. So this will become 260 divided by 3. So if you cancel it, it will be 8 26 are 18.6 days. So approximately you can write 90 days. Okay, approximately you can write 90 days or 87 days. So these are a few questions from unitary method of class 6. Okay, thank you for watching.